Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecilia Hallward. How are you doing today? I hope you're enjoying today and I hope your loved ones are doing okay too. In today's video, what I will be doing today, I will be showing us how you can make your home look like $1,000,000, yes, without breaking the bank. So this is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to focus my camera. So I have this plain surface in my home, and what I'm going to do today is I'll be adding glam to the surface by putting this mirror mosaic on this. So I'll be gluing this down, and what I'm going to use, the materials I'll be using for this, I'll be using this mirror mosaic, and also I'll be making use of E6000. You want to make sure that the surface of where you're applying this is actually neat and clean. So I'm going to set this